Today we're going to be making a Valentine's Day candy board. Now I have made a Valentine's Day charcuterie board before, but never a candy board. So this is just going to be fun and super easy because you can buy everything pre-made. So there's really nothing you need to do, like no baking required or anything, just assembling the board. And what I'm going to be using, I'm using an oversized circle board that I'll link in the description. It's my favorite board. I use it all the time. As you can see, I'm probably due for a new one. And I'm just going to assemble this. And it's a fun treat that you can enjoy for Valentine's Day and just kind of leave it out for the day to everybody kind of snack on. And what I love about this board is the handle, so it's easy to hold and transport if needed. But really, you can use any kind of board that you'd like, or any size that you want. If you just want a small board for a few people, you can do a smaller size. There's tons of options out there and lots of different shapes and sizes. You can do square, oval, whatever. So what you're going to need is obviously Valentine's Day candy. Now you can use a variety of candy to what everybody likes. I am just choosing from a variety of things that we like. Don't judge that we've already opened them and started eating them. Hopefully there's enough to fill the board, but we got the pink hearts, of course the conversation hearts. I found these pretzel rods with pink drizzle on them. And I know it's not candy, but it's chocolate covered, so technically candy. We've also got the Mellow Cream Roses, the Cupid's Blend M&Ms, and the Hugs with White Cream, and the pink, what do you call it? Outer shell covering. And cherry hearts. Again, we've already dived into those. And then I found these Valentine candy corn, which I thought would be good. And some Cupid's Crunch snacks mix. Now I know this is not like candy, but again, it's chocolate covered pretzels and candy drizzled over top of it. And then I thought these were the cutest X's and O's gummy candy. I thought it would be cute to just kind of put out over top, or you can even just put them on the board itself. But I'm also deciding if I want to use this. I could not find a heart bowl anywhere, so I thought maybe I'll use this and fill the M&Ms inside of it. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go along with it and just see how it turns out. So let's get starting and building this Valentine's Day candy board. Okay, here is the final result. I think it turned out so cute. I just used some decorations to fill in like the little handle area, and I kind of ran out of candy. I thought I would have more than enough, but I didn't. So thankfully I had some Nutter Butter bars that were Valentine's Day that I just kind of cut up and put in there. I mean, they are chocolate covered, so still kind of candy. And I had some Starburst, pink Starburst, so I added those in there. And then that was able to fill up the entire board. So I guess probably buy more than what you think you need, because if you have an oversized board, you're actually going to need more. But I I didn't really want to put all the gummy X's and O's on it, but like I said, I ran out of candy, so I needed something to fill in the spots. So I put that in there, but then I also spelled out the XOXO on top of the other candy. I think that looks adorable, and yeah, I think this is super cute. I mean, really, you can assemble it any way you want to. It's really not going to matter. It's all going to come together perfectly, and everybody will enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day.